So for the mini squat exercise, we're going to have the patient have their feet about shoulder width apart. And then what they're going to do is they're going to go into a squat position, so they're going to start to drift down. Their knees are going to stay wide. We're not going to have the knees move in. We're going to have them stay wide, and then back up. I'm going to have the patient turn here, face the wall, so you can see from a side view. Same exact exercise, just the side view, down into a squat position, engaging glute, quadricep muscle, getting good mobility of hip and knee. Yep.